Okay, dear students, we are in mathematical induction chapter. Last class only we have started. In the last class we have seen what is mathematical induction, concepts we have seen, and example also we have seen, and one problem in exercise 4.1 we have completed. Okay, now we will go for second question onwards, second problem onwards. Okay, steps also we have seen. 5 steps were there. Okay, 5 steps we have to follow to complete the problem or question. Okay, let us see from question number 2 onwards. Okay, same this will be common. Prove all the following for by principle of mathematical induction for all n belongs to natural number n. Okay, this is common. Okay, you see the question is this one, original question. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dash 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 plus n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, this will be your question. Okay, this you have to prove. First step they only given n belongs to n. You need not write, or else you can write also, that is not wrong. Okay, first step n belongs to n has to be written. Why? Because see, principle of mathematical induction is applicable for natural number only. Why? Because this n, if natural number only, it is possible to verify the truth, or else we are not able to verify the truth. Okay, for integers or real numbers, whatever it may be. Okay, except natural number we cannot verify. That is why if they doesn't give, then you have to write. Okay, second step is take this statement as proposition Pn. Okay, let us take Pn. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole to the power of square. This will be proposition or Pn. Okay, we have taken. That means for us this is second step. First step they have given, second step. Third step is P1. P1, you prove LHS, RHS, P1. Okay, let us take P1. P1. You see, P1 means naturally first part of the series you have to take. But even then, if you got any confusion, you substitute this one in LHS. LHS, you see, n cube is there. N cube 1 is there means 1 cube. N cube 2 is there means 1 cube plus 2 cube. N cube 3 is there means 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube. Up to like. Okay. N is there means 1 cube, 1 cube, 1 cube. This is LHS. Comma. What about RHS? RHS also you have to take. Okay. See, n means n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 means 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2 whole square, right? 1 into 1 plus 1, 2 by 2 whole square. 2 to get cancelled, 1 square will come 1. That means 1 cube is equal to 1 square. Write down. LHS is equal to RHS is equal to 1. LHS is equal to 1, RHS is equal to 1. Okay. Now what you can write now? We can write Pn is true for n is equal to 1. Yes, definitely that should be written. Pn is, see this, after writing LHS is equal to RHS only you have to write this one. Pn, see whatever I am writing by comma, you can write downwards. Why? Because of space constraint I am writing horizontally. After comma I am writing these and all, you can write downwards. Okay, that looks good for your examination point of view. Pn is true for n is equal to 1. See, verifying, prove, verify, whatever it may be, means it has to be proved that it is true. We have to write this true. Or else you can write proved for n is equal to 1. But that looks not good. You can write this one only. Okay. First step, second step, third step over. Fourth step is pk. Write down pk. pk. pk not equal to colon. You see Pn and copy the pk. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dash 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 plus n cube for n, k cube. Okay. Now n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square for k into k plus 1 by 2 whole square. You understand that? This you should understand. Okay. K into k plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay. Now, important step you have to write. Assume pk is true. That is definitely how you have to write. Or else you are not going to get marks. Yes. Assume pk is true. Okay, this should be written. You see here, pk we have copied by pn. Pn is not proved. Pn they asked us to prove. That is why you have copied. That is why pk we have assumed true, but this is not really true. Real true, p1 we have verified. Real true, pk plus 1 we have to verify. What we have to do now? Pk plus 1. Okay, let us write pk plus 1. Pk plus 1. Now pk plus 1, don't see pn, you see pk and copy. Okay. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dash 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 plus k cube. K cube you must write. Afterwards, k plus 1 cube. You understand? K cube you have to write. See, pk plus 1. Up to pk you have to write. Then plus 1 you have to go. Plus 1 means k plus 1. Like that you have to think. Now when k is there, k into k plus 1 by 2. When k plus 1 is there, k plus 1, k means k plus 1 into k plus 1 means here k plus 1 plus 1. K plus 1 plus 1, k plus 2. Directly write k plus 2. Divided by 2 whole square. Okay. Now you see pk plus 1. LHS is equal to RHS you have to prove. If you prove this, then automatically your question is going to be completed. This you can take equation 1, this you can take equation 2 also, like that you can take. But now LHS and RHS of k plus 1 you have to prove. Now see, after this we are writing LHS RHS means LHS RHS of k plus 1 only. Like that you can take. Or else you can take, put this as equation number 2, this as equation number 1. Okay. You see now LHS, shall I modify this LHS? You see, definitely I can modify. How to modify? You see how I am writing. This LHS is equal to LHS is equal to, see this LHS how I am writing, you see. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dash 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 plus k cube plus k plus 1 cube is equal to, this LHS how I am modifying, you see. 1 cube to k cube, already we have got pk. 1 cube to k cube. K into k plus 1 by 2 whole square plus k plus 1 whole cube. Is it okay? See, why? Because see, 1 cube up to k cube, already we have got k into k plus 1 by 2 whole square. This we have assumed true, then we can take this. Okay. Now you simplify these two. If these two, after simplification, if it comes this RHS, LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved, truth verified, like you can write and close this question. Okay. Okay. Now I can do some up to some here, then we go for top. Okay. You do cross multiplication. Okay. See, you take out squaring k square plus k plus 1 whole square. Like that you do. You do it. K square that is equal to k square into k plus 1 whole square by 4. Why 4? 2 square 4, k square, k plus 1 square. Okay. Plus k plus 1 whole cube by 1 is equal to. Okay. You understand now this step? Why? Because I have squared. I have opened this bracket. This is bracket, this is parenthesis. Okay. Now you see cross multiply k square plus k plus 1 whole square. Sorry, not plus. K square into k plus 1 whole square plus 4 into k plus 1 whole cube. I will write k plus 1 whole cube into 4 divided by 4. Is it okay? 1 into k square into k plus 1 whole square plus 4 into k plus 1 whole cube by 4. Okay, now we go up to here, or else I am going to remove only question. This question, enough what I think we are going to achieve this. Okay. Okay. You see now, after simplification, if you receive this, if you get this, then you have to write that LHS is equal to RHS proved or truth verified, like. Okay. See how to convert this. You see here k square, k plus 1 whole square is there, k plus 2 whole square is there, by 2 square. 2 square only matched. K plus 1 you can take common, you see k plus 1, k plus 1. But k plus 1 you take or k plus 1 square. K plus 1 square you can take. 1 k plus 1 will be left. Like that you have to think. Okay. See what I am writing. K plus 1 square I am taking common. K plus 1 square I am taking common. If I take k plus 1 square, here k square only left. Okay. K square plus, here see k plus 1 into 4 will left. Or because k plus 1 square got outside. 1 k plus 1 into 4. Okay, you write k plus 1 into 4. Then you put this as bracket, not parenthesis. Divided by 4. Shall I write 2 square? Or else you write no problem. Okay. Anyway, answer has come. Okay. K. 2 square has to come, but 4 is there. Okay, now you see k square plus 4k plus 4. Shall we write this k plus 2 whole square? You see k plus 2 whole square is equal to k square plus 4k plus 4. You see k square plus 4k plus 4. Okay. That is why I am writing this as k plus 2 whole square. Okay, here k plus 1 whole square is there into k plus 2 whole square is there divided by 4. That is equal to, you can write this same. Why? Because see both are same, na? K plus 1, k plus 2 by 2 whole square. K plus 1, k plus 2 by 2, 2 whole square means automatically this one will come. You write k plus 1 into k plus 2 by 2 whole square. Okay. Now you see RHS has come. LHS we have taken. RHS has come. Okay. Now you can write LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved Pn is true. Okay. Right. LHS is equal to RHS, comma, hence Pn is found true and verified. Okay, like this you write and close the question. You understand now how these steps compulsory you have to make. P1 you have to make and you have to write that P1 Pn is true for n is equal to 1. Pk you have to write and you have to write assume Pk is true. Okay, then Pk plus 1 LHS RHS you have to prove. Like this you have to proceed for simplification or verifying the truth. Okay. Now third question. This is the second question. Third question onwards we don't write find all following n belongs to n like. We write only question and we take n belongs to n like. Okay. That n belongs to n, even if they don't write you have to write. If they write also you write, or you don't write, no problem. Okay. Let us go for third question. Okay. See the third question. We have to prove this with mathematical induction, and n belongs to n they have given. You need not write, or else if you write also not wrong. First step n belongs to n. Okay. 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash 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 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus dash 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 n is equal to 2n by n plus 1. You see here denominator series is there. You see 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, 1 plus up to 4. That means n into n plus 1 by 2 series addition you might be knowing. You see 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash 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 plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This formula for series, if you don't know, you cannot do this problem. Okay? This formula you should remember. Up to n, up to k into k plus 1 by 2, up to k plus 1 into k plus 2 by 2. Okay? Okay. See how we have to write. First step they have given n belongs to n in question. That is why I am not writing. Second step Pn I am writing. Okay? Let us write Pn. Okay, Pn. Repeat all this question. 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash 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 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash 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 plus n, that is equal to 2n by n plus 1. Okay? This will be your proposition Pn. Okay. Second step we have done. First step already he has given. Second over. Third step is P1. Let us prove P1 is equal to true. P1 colon. You see P1 means naturally first one you have to take 1 here. But even then you see 1 n is equal to 1. Up to n you have to take means 1 only. 1 by 1. 1 by 1 1. Okay. 1 is equal to LHS comma RHS is equal to, you see 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 by 2. 1. LHS is equal to RHS. What you have to write? LHS is equal to RHS means you have to write LHS is equal to RHS. Write this one. You see what I am writing. Okay. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, Pn is true for n is equal to 1. This you have to write. LHS is equal to RHS, hence Pn is true for n is equal to 1. Yes, definitely you have to write this one. Okay, now this step is third step over. Fourth step is Pk. Pk you have to write and you have to assume Pk is true. Like these steps you have to follow. Let us write Pk. Pk. While writing Pk, you copy Pn. Except n, you have to write k. That's all. Okay. Okay. Pk 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash 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 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus dash 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 plus n is equal to, sorry, n don't come here, k come. Okay. K is equal to 2k by k plus 1. Is it okay? You see, when n is there, 2n by n plus 1. When k is there, 2k by k plus 1. Okay, you replace n with k. N with k. That's all. Now important step you have to write. Assume Pk is true. That is very important. You write assume Pk is true. Okay. This is definitely how to write. This step also Pn is true for n is equal to 1. Pk is true is definitely how to write. If you don't write, then they are not going to give marks. Okay. Now last step Pk plus 1. Okay. Pk plus 1 no LHS is equal to RHS you have to prove. Right? Pk plus 1. P of k plus 1 colon. You copy Pk and replace k as k plus 1, but this k also you have to write k and 1, k plus 1. Okay. 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash 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 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus dash 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 plus k plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus dash 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 plus k plus k plus 1. You understand? Na? That is very important. You see how I am written. See, denominator series is going. Series up to 1, up to 2, up to 3, up to k plus 1. Up to k also you have to write. Then again up to k plus 1 series. This is crucial. Why? Because if you don't write this, then you cannot replace this. We have to replace this, then you can do further question. This is LHS only. RHS you write like this, you see. That is equal to RHS. This one. 2 into k plus 1 by k plus 1 plus 1. Okay. That means you see when k is there 2k by k plus 1. When k plus 1 is there 2 into k plus 1 by k plus 1 plus 1. See now itself I am modifying this. Or else you write separately. I am writing you see p of k plus 1. How I am writing you see. P of k plus 1 colon, you see 1 to k you can replace 2k by k plus 1. You see 1 to k 2k by k plus 1. Okay, you replace this 1 to k 2k by k plus 1 plus this one is extra, you write. But extra how to write, you see, this is a series, addition of series. Up to n means n into n plus 1 by 2. But up to k is k into k plus 1 by 2. Up to k plus 1 is there k plus 1 into k plus 2 by 2. Okay. K plus 1 into k plus 2 by 2. By 2 if you write here or you can write here also is equal to. Then you, okay, but numerator keep it like that only 2 into k plus 1. But denominator you can write k plus 2. Why? Because the addition is there simply k plus 2. Is it okay now? This LHS is equal to RHS you have to prove. This you know how it has come. Why? Because 1 to k already we have got 2k by k plus 1. Again same repeated 1 to k, that is why we have written this one. Okay. Now here you come. See 1 to n is there means n into n plus 1 by 2 you can write here. N into n plus 1 by 2 means 2 will go numerator. N into n plus 1 will come. Okay. Now if k is there, k into k plus 1 by 2. That also you know. If k plus 1 is there up to k plus 1 into k plus 2 by 2. K plus 1 into k plus 2 by 2. 2 means it goes stop. That is why we have written. This we have simplified. Now what we have to do? Simply you have to cross multiply. LHS only you have to take. Okay. LHS only. Equation. Pk plus 1 LHS only you have to take. You have to prove that RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. What I am going to do? I am going to rub here up to to Pn. I'm going to rub up to Pn. Let us see if that space we can get this. Okay. Okay. You see, I am cross multiplying k plus 1 into k plus 2 plus 2 into k plus 1 by k plus 1 into, like that I am doing. You see how I am doing. 2k into k plus 1, k plus 2 plus cross multiplication. Okay. 2 into k plus 1. 2 into k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 into k plus 1 into k plus 2. Separately I am writing. I am not writing square. Anyway, we have to cancel. Separate is there. Cancellation easily you can identify. Okay. You see, k plus 1 into k plus 1 into k plus 2. Is it okay now? K plus 1 into k plus 1 into k plus 2. K plus 1, k plus 2 into 2k plus 2 k plus 1 into 2 divided by k plus 1 into k plus 1 into k plus 2. Okay. Okay. You see now, how can you modify this one? Okay. You see, 2k plus 1 are common. If you observe carefully, take that common 2 into k plus 1. Okay. If you take common, k into k plus 2 is there this side. Okay. You write down k into k plus 2 plus this side nothing is there, only 1. Okay. Divided by k plus 1 into k plus 1 into k plus 2. You see now k plus 1 are going to get cancelled. Okay. Here also you see k square plus 2k plus 1, k plus 1 whole square. This become k plus 1 whole square. You see k square plus 2k plus 1 inside. Okay, I am writing. You see now how I am writing. Now this k plus 1 has got cancelled. Okay, now 2 into k square plus 2k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 into k plus 2. Is it okay? Now k plus 1 cancelled. Numerator k plus 1, denominator k plus 1 not available. 2. This I have expanded. You see k square plus 2k plus 1. K square plus 2k plus 1. K plus 1 into k plus 1. See this now again you can write as k plus 1 whole square. Or else shall I write k plus 1 into k plus 1? That also you can write. Okay. That also you can write. You write 2 into k plus 1 into k plus 1 by k plus 1 into k plus 2. Okay, see now k plus 1 and k plus 1 is going to get cancelled. That means numerator 1 k plus 1 will go, denominator k plus 1 will go. Okay. You see what will come? 2 into k plus 1, right? 2 into k plus 1 divided by k plus 2. Okay. Why? Because 1 k plus 1 has get cancelled. 2 into k plus 1 by k plus 2 is the final answer. You see, you compare with RHS, is it okay? 2 into k plus 1 by k plus 2? Okay. Then what you have to write? You have to write LHS is equal to RHS, hence PN is found true or verified. Like that you have to write. You write. Why? Because see, this is LHS, this is RHS. This is RHS, this is LHS. Okay, LHS you have taken LHS and RHS has come. You write LHS is equal to RHS, comma, hence PN found true. Okay, like this you write and close this question. Okay, now let us go for fourth question. Okay, see the fourth question. 1 into 2 into 3, this is not 1.2.3. 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus dash 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 n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 by 4. This we have to prove by mathematical induction, principle of mathematical induction. Okay. Okay. N belongs to n capital N natural number they have given. Second step onwards we do. Pn is equal to this statement you have to write again. Okay. Let us write. Pn. Okay, 1 is to 2 is to 3 plus 2 is to 3 is to 4 plus dash dash dash. You write n into n plus 1 into n plus 2, that is equal to, you repeat this one, n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 divided by 4. This you have taken as Pn. Okay. Next step is what? Next step you have to prove P1. P1 LHS RHS you have to prove. Let us take P1 colon. You see P1 means 1 into 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 1 into 2 into 3, 1 into 2 into 3, that is equal to LHS. How much it becomes? 3 into 2 6. Okay. Okay. We will write afterwards. RHS also you take. RHS is equal to, you see 1 means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 by 4. You see 4 get cancelled. 1 into 2 into 3, 1 into 2 into 3. LHS is equal to RHS. We know LHS is equal to 6. Okay. Now what you are going to write? You are going to write Pn is true for n is equal to 1. Yes. Okay, write down. LHS is equal to RHS, comma, Pn is true for n is equal to 1. This you have to write first step. Okay. Okay, now next step is Pk. Go for Pk. Okay, Pk. Write down Pk. P of k. 1, 2, 3. You copy Pn. Okay. 2, 3, 4 plus k into k plus 1 into k plus 2, that is equal to k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3 by 4. Okay. You see, when n is there, all n will come. When k is there, all k will come. Okay. This you have to write. See, after writing k, Pk, P of k, very important step you have to write. Assume Pk is true. Yes, that you have to write. Okay, that is very essential. Assume P of k is true. Okay. Now, last step Pk plus 1. Pk plus 1 LHS is equal to RHS. If you prove, that is finished your question. Let us write Pk plus 1. P of k plus 1 colon. You see Pk and copy. 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 3, 4 plus dash dash dash. This step also you have to write. Plus k plus 1 into k plus 2 plus. Okay. Addition one step. See, in place of k plus 1. That means k plus 1, k plus 2. Why? Because k plus 1 plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3. This is LHS only. What about RHS? RHS in place of k, you have to replace k plus 1. Replace the k plus 1. K plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3, k plus 4 by 4. Is it okay? See what we have written, in place of k plus 1 we have written. K is there means k plus 1 is there means k plus 1. RHS I am telling. K plus 1 means k plus 1 plus 1, k plus 2. K plus 1 plus 2, k plus 3. K plus 1 plus 3, k plus 4 by 4. Okay, this we have written. You see, this is RHS. Don't expand such statements. Let it be. Finally, we see if required expand, or else you keep it this like this only. Okay. This is RHS. Now LHS I can modify. You see how I am modifying. LHS is equal to. Okay. You see LHS up to 1, 2, 3 up to k plus 2. I can write k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 plus k plus 3 by 4. This I can copy. Okay. Up to here. Okay, here also up to here it is there. Okay, see how I am writing. K into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3 divided by 4. Okay, plus this one. K plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3. Write down k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3. Okay, you see now. For doing cross multiplication divided by 1, you write. That will be very helpful for you. Okay, I have written. Now what I have to do? You cross multiply LHS. Cross multiply means k into k plus 1. You write down again. K into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. 1 into plus 4 into k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3. Whole divided by 4 into 1. 4. Okay. Now you see here space is not sufficient. We go top. We will remove up to here. Okay, up to Pn we remove, and we will do continue here. And this LHS should match with RHS. This is RHS. Okay, RHS what has to come? K plus 1, K plus 2, K plus 3, K plus 4 by 4 has to come this. Okay, let us see. Now see, if you carefully observe, k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3 is common. K plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3. Okay. Shall I take k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3 as common? Yes, we can take. That is equal to k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3. If you take common, then here k will be there, here 4 will be there. K will be there, 4 will be there. Divided by 4. You see k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3 common, k plus 4. K plus 4. Okay. Now you see, is this RHS? K plus 1, K plus 2, K plus 3, K plus 4 by 4. K plus 1, K plus 2, K plus 3, K plus 4 by 4. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to write LHS is equal to RHS. Hence Pn is found true. LHS, this is equal to RHS. You write first. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence Pn found true. See, finally you are writing Pn is found true, but here you have written Pn is true for n is equal to 1. Here you don't write Pn is true for k plus 1. Found true, that's all. Why? Because 2 times if you found true means that is true. Once we have made with for n, at the time you write for true for n is equal to 1. But last time you have to write n is true. Okay, Pn is true. Let us go for 5th question. Okay, see the 5th question. 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube plus dash 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 n into 3 power n is equal to, you see carefully here, 2n minus 1 into 3 power n plus 1. You see this power n plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. Okay. This you have to take and verify the truth by mathematical induction. N belongs to n, they only given. You need not write again, or else if you write also that is not wrong. Okay. Okay. Let us take first step. Now first step is Pn. Okay. Let us write Pn. Pn colon 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube plus dash 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 plus n into 3 power n is equal to same you repeat 2n minus 1 3 power n plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. Okay, this you have to repeat. Okay, now next step is you have to find p1. Let us find p1 colon. You see LHS p1, you substitute this one 1 into 3 power 1, 1 into 3, 1 into 3, 1 into 3 is equal to p1. Here also you substitute 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 3 square, 1 into 3 square plus 3 by 4. You see this implies 3 is equal to 9 plus 3, 12 by 4. LHS is equal to RHS. Why? Because 12 by 4 is 3 only, na? See, now what you have to write? You have to write LHS is equal to RHS. Already you have written. You write like this: Pn is true for n is equal to 1. Okay? Pn is true for n is equal to 1. This step also over. Pn we have written. P1 also we have written. Let us go for Pk. Pk you have to go and you have to write. Assume Pk is true. Okay. Let us write Pk. You repeat. You copy only Pn, but replace n as k. 1 into 3, 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube plus. See, n replaced by k. K 3 power k into is equal to 2k minus 1 3 power k plus 1 plus 3 by 4. Okay? Okay. This is Pk, but afterwards important step you have to write. Assume Pk is true. Yes, definitely you have to write that one. Write that one. Assume Pk is true. Assume Pk is true. Okay? Now Pk plus 1. P of k plus 1. That also you have to go. Let us do Pk plus 1. P of k plus 1. Simply copy Pk. 1, 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube plus dash plus. You see, first you have to write k into 3 power k. Next you have to write k plus 1. K plus 1 into 3 power k plus 1. Okay. Now what you have to write? You have to write 2k plus 1. That one. You see, this is carefully you have to write. Why? Because here k is multiplication. See, addition is there directly k plus 1 plus 1 k plus 2 you can write. But here k plus 1 minus 1 you cannot write. Why? Because it is multiplying 2k plus 2 minus 1. Like that it will come. That is you take two steps. First you write like this. You see 2 into k plus 1 minus 1. Okay. Into 3 power k plus 1. Here you can write k plus 1 plus 1, k plus 2 plus 3 divided by 4. This bracket you don't require. You understand how I am written? You see carefully. When k is there, directly 2k minus 1 will come. But when k plus 1 is there, 2 into in place of k plus 1 you have to write. Here if you write k plus 1 minus 1, your answer is going to get wrong. Why? Because here 2k plus 2 will come. If you write directly k plus 1 minus 1, plus 1 minus 1 cancelled, 2k is going to come. But 2k plus 1 has to come. You see, 2k plus 2 minus 1. Plus 2 minus 1, 1 will come. 2k plus 1 will come. Okay? 3 power k plus 2. Here, see, addition is there. Directly you can write k plus 1 plus 1, k plus 2. But when multiplication is there, little bit carefully you have to write. Okay, this we have written k plus 1 also. and we will modify again pk plus 1. How I am modifying, you see. Again you write pk plus 1. pk plus 1 colon. See, from 1.3, 1 into 3 to up to this k into 3 power k, I can write this one. You see, 1 into 3, 2 into 3 square, 3 k into 3 power k is equal to this one. 3 into k power k is equal to this one. You can repeat. Okay. You write 2k minus 1 into 3 power k plus 1 plus 3 by 4 plus this one k plus 1 3 power k plus 1. Okay. See, shall I write divided by 1? Definitely you can write is equal to this. Also you simplify. Why? Because you see 2k plus 2 minus 1, 2k plus 1, you write 2k plus 1 into 3 power k plus 2 plus 3 divided by 4. Okay. See, this is statement pk plus 1. Already you have written equal to. But see, Pn asked us to prove. P1 we have proved. With P1 itself, we don't confirm that fully Pn is true. But we can confirm that Pn is true at n is equal to 1. Pk is we have assumed. Pk we have copied by n. Why? Because n is asked us to prove. That is why if you copy Pn, that is not true. But we have assumed true. But Pk you have to prove. Pk plus 1 you have to prove true. Pk plus 1 even though you have written equal to, but you have to take LHS separate and show finally RHS. Okay. Okay. What is there now? You see, I can one step also LHS I can take here. One step and again we go for top. Okay. Okay. Let us take this LHS. Write LHS. LHS. Cross multiplication. 2k minus 1 3 power k plus 1 plus 3 plus this one k plus 1 3 power k plus 1 into 4. Okay, why? Because 4 into 1 into 4 into divided by 4. Is it okay? You see, 1 into this one plus 4 into this one. 4 I have written afterwards. Okay. Now what we write? Three power k plus 1 shall I take common? 3 power k plus 1. I can take common. You see, 3 power k plus 1. If I take common, okay, bottom 4 is there. 4. Okay, that too we cannot disturb. 3 power k plus 1 if I take, see 3 is separate. But this you can take 2k minus 1. Okay, here. And here you see 4k plus 4. Why? Because see 3k plus 1, all this multiplication into. 4k plus 4. You write plus 4k plus 4. Is it okay now? Now what we do, I am going to remove only 2 steps. Okay. Now you see 3 power k plus 1. This is LHS only we are doing. Okay. 3 power k plus 1 by 4. I can write like this also. Okay. You see 4k plus 2k, 6k. You write 6k. 4 minus 1, 3 plus 3. That's all. Or even you can take small bracket also. Small parenthesis. Is it okay? You see? One thing we missed here. 3 is there. 3 you have not written. 3 you have to write. See, this 3 not multiplying with 3k plus 1. That is why the separate 3 you have to write. Separate 3 you have to write. Separate 3 you have to write. Okay, you understand now? Okay. Now you see carefully. 6k plus 3 means 3 common you can take. 2k plus 1 it is going to become. You take common. 3 power k plus 1 into 3. If you take 3 common, then 2k plus 1 it is going to become plus 3 outside. That cannot be disturbed. Is it okay? You see first. Why? Because 3 if you send inside, 6k plus 3 it is going to become 6k plus 3. Why I have taken out? See, if I take outside, see, 3 power something into 3 power something, you can add that something. Okay? You can add that something. Bases are same means powers you can add. Bases are same, while multiplying powers you can add while multiplying. Now that become 3 power k plus 2. Yes. Write down. 3 power k plus 2 into 2k plus 1 plus 3 by 4. Is it okay? You see first now. Rather than seeing RHS first, you see this only. 3 power 1 into 3 power k plus 1. Bases are same. That is why powers you have to add. 3 power k plus 1 plus 1 k plus 2. 2k plus 1 plus 3 by 4. Now you see RHS. This one RHS you see. 2k plus 1 into 3 power k plus 2. 2k plus 1 into 3 power k plus 2. Plus 3 divided by 4. Now you can write LHS is equal to RHS, hence Pn is found true. Yes. Same thing you can write. You write LHS, this you can write this as RHS. Okay. LHS is equal to RHS, hence Pn is found true, or verified also you can write. Found true, verified, like that you can write. Okay. Now we finished this 5th question. We stop here in this class. Let us start 6th question onwards in the next class. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.